In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Sendpulse live chat widget to a website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to get the code you'll need for your site. Start by logging in to your Sendpulse account. This puts you on your dashboard, where you manage all your messaging tools. If you're new to Sendpulse, don't worry. The navigation is straightforward, and you can always use the search bar if the menu looks different. Next, head to the Chatbots section and open Manage Bots. If this is your very first live chat, you might see a shortcut that says, Connect next to live chat. Click that. Both paths lead you to the same setup flow, so choose whichever you see. When the setup prompts appear, choose the option to install a live chat widget on a third-party site. This is the right choice if your website isn't built directly with Sendpulse. It tells the system you'll be adding the widget to an external site, like one made with WordPress, Webflow, Shopify, or a custom build. You'll be asked to enter a project name and the URL of the website where you want the chat. Pick a clear, descriptive name that helps you recognize the project later, especially helpful if you manage multiple sites. For the URL, include the correct domain and protocol, such as HTTPS, and make sure it matches the exact address visitors use. If you have separate subdomains, use the one where the widget should appear. Now you can customize the look and settings. Choose widget colors that align with your brand while still providing good contrast for readability. Decide whether the widget should appear on the left or right. Think about where your audience's thumb naturally rests on mobile and how it fits your layout. Set the title to something inviting and concise, like Chat with Us or Need Help? Explore any other visual options available, such as icons, size, or behavior on mobile. The goal is to make the widget noticeable but not intrusive, so preview as you go and aim for a balance between visibility and comfort. Once you finish customizing, Sendpulse will generate an installation code snippet. This is a small piece of code unique to your project. Copy it and keep it handy, because you'll use it to connect the widget to your site when you're ready. If you later change your design settings, those updates will apply without replacing the snippet in most cases. But it's a good idea to revisit your configuration if something looks off. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to the right place, selected the third-party widget option, set your project details, tailored the design, and obtained your installation code. You're ready to bring live chat to your website.